over 5,000 birds, representing 400 species, many of which are endangered. Sit back and enjoy your journey into the colorful world of birds. Here at the Jurong Bird Park, there's so much to see and do. Be sure to catch the shows and keep a chit-chat sessions to learn more about our feathered jewels. The Pools Amphitheatre to your right features the High Flyers show at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. You are certain to be awed by an exhilarating lineup of bird stars and free-flying performances.
11 and 3 shows.
Are the bright red scarlet ibises. They are fed a special diet which helps maintain the color of their plumage. To your right is the wetlands, home to the impressive shoebill and other birds dependent on some of the world's most rapidly disappearing habitats. Spend some quiet time bird watching from the viewing gallery, designed to simulate an observation hide. To your right, the Royal Ram, home to crown pigeons, the world's largest and most beautiful pigeons. They are native to Papua New Guinea and Irian Jaya. To your left are the hornbills and toucans. These birds have impressive oversized bills to reach fruits on thin branches. Enjoy a close encounter with the hornbill during Hornbill Chit Chat at 11:45 a.m. daily. Windows on Paradise to your right is home to some of the most beautiful birds on earth. The birds of paradise are known for their courtship displays, which include dances and calls. We are about to make our first stop at Tram Station 2. We invite you to take a stroll through Lorry Loft, the world's largest lorry-free flight aviary. If you would like to feed the lorries, please purchase a cup of lorry feed from our staff. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets for the next part of the journey. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back on our tram ride. You are now off to visit Waterfall Aviary, the largest walking aviary in our park. To your left, the birds of prey. These birds use their superb eyesight, strong beaks, and sharp talons to hunt. Here, you will also find the majestic Andean condor, largest in the vulture family. Catch these birds in action at the Kings of the Sky show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily at the Hawk Arena.
I think Jordan knows the word. I just said that. Who eats?
jungle jewels,
But here's
where you
right.
will find many South American birds, including the brightly colored sun conures. In the wild, they are trapped for the feathers and the illegal trade. Chill out at the Bird Discovery Center and step into the fascinating world of birds. Look out for the flightless cassowary and emu on the left. The solitary cassowary is easily identified by its cusp on its head. The emu can grow as tall as 1.9 meters. It is the second tallest bird in the world. To your right, the pelican cove. Join Pelican Chit Chat at 2 p.m. daily to watch how pelicans feed. We are now approaching the waterfall aviary. Go bird watching in the aviary and try to spot as many birds as you can. Participate in feeding sessions to enjoy a thrilling encounter with the feathered clown. Be sure to visit one of the world's tallest man-made waterfalls for photo opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have arrived at Tram Station 3. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets for the next stop. Welcome back on board. We are now heading to Parrot Paradise, where you can view the extremely rare lumpur. Jurong Bird Park is the only wildlife institution in the world where you can admire all the 3 species of lumpurs and learn more about them. The Styx lumpur, which inspired the movie is probably extinct in the wild. There are just over 150 of them left, all under Explore Parrot Paradise to discover more about our conservation project to help save the Styx macaw. Correct on our right, directly behind the entrance are the pelicans. They use their large pouches to scoop fish and empty the water before swallowing their catch. Watch them in action during the pelican chit-chat.
Enunera.
Look out for the supermodels of the bird world. The Flamingo Lake is home to more than 400 greater and lesser flamingos. In the wild, flamingos live in large flocks of up to 10,000. The lodge overlooking the Flamingo Lake can be booked for seminars, parties, and team building events. Now, get ready for big splashes of fun at Birds of Play. where kids can spread their wings and play to their heart's content. Coming up on the left, the Hawker Arena, where you can watch the Kings of the Skies show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily. Catch the eagles, owls, and vultures in action as they amaze you with their powerful flight and agility. Find out what goes into caring for eggs and chicks at the Breeding and Research Center, located next to Hawker Arena. Each year, our bird nannies hand raise more than 100 chicks, including the critically endangered Balimanga and blue-coated macaw. Continue your journey on foot and visit Penguin Coast at the entrance. Look out for the king and humble penguins in their cool indoor habitats before you venture outdoors to admire